All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel. This is Carl from sovcits and Chronicles. Today, we're going to be back in the courtroom of Judge Sean Perkins out of Detroit, Michigan. He's going to have a young lady before him that's a sovereign citizen. She's going to be reading the script. She was actually before him a few weeks ago, and now she's back in front of Judge Perkins once again. All right, with all that being said, let's get to this proceeding.
All right. Destiny, are you there? Is your device working now?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. What is your full name, ma'am?
I'm sorry.
What is your full name?
I am Destiny Graves. That's capital D, lowercase e, S T I N E Y. Hold on, boo. I'm sorry. Well, give me a minute. That's capital D, capital D, lowercase.
Yes, you can. All right, thank you.
Hello?
I'm sorry. No problem.
Hold on. Somebody's talking.
Hello?
Hold on a second. This is the City of Detroit versus Destiny Raven Graves, case number SP 1069059. Counts 1, counts 2, SP 1724805, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1724831. State your name for the record, please, ma'am.
For the record, I am capital D, lowercase e, S T I N E Y, dash capital R, lowercase a, I, V, Y, N, colon, capital G, lowercase R, A, V, E, S. And I am appearing specially, not generally. I am here in good faith to address the matter of jurisdiction before any other proceedings.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a show cause. You missed your last court appearance.
No, I appeared. What was it? Not this past the matter.
Yeah, but you left, man. You left without waiting on me to recall your case.
Oh, because I had spoke with your secretary.
You don't speak with anybody but me. I give you the authority to leave or not.
Yeah, I wasn't aware what to do, what my next steps were to do. So I did send a letter to the clerk so that I could figure out what my next steps were because I was confused on what past the matter was, and I didn't want to.
You need to hire yourself a lawyer, ma'am, or if you don't know the procedure, or learn the rules of the court rules.
Understood, Your Honor.
All right. So, what do you want to do? Do you want an offer or you want a trial date?
I'm sorry.
Do you want an offer on these matters or do you want a trial date?
Honestly, Your Honor, I would like to establish proper jurisdiction before moving on.
All right, the jurisdiction in the court's eyes is established. You got notice, right?
Notice in what way?
You got notified by the court that you had to be here, right?
Was I notified by the court?
You got a ticket, ma'am. So let's just.
I did have a ticket, but I did not sign any. I did not sign over my rights or anything, so I didn't.
You haven't given up any of your rights. Now, do you want to speak to a lawyer or not?
No, Your Honor.
All right. So you have two options now. I can let you speak to the city attorney yourself. You have three options. You can plead as charged to all the matters. I can let you speak to the city attorney yourself, and you can try to work out a deal for yourself, or I'm going to set a jury trial date. Which one of the three options do you want?
Give me 1 second. You said I can take a plea, speak to an attorney, or set a jury trial date?
You can take a plea you can plead as charged. You can speak with an attorney if you just said you didn't want to speak to the attorney. But you can speak to the attorney, that gives you 4 options. You can plead as charged, you can speak to an attorney, you can speak to the city attorney yourself and try to work out the matter yourself with the city attorney, or you can set it for a jury trial. I'm not even gonna set it for a bench trial. You set it for a jury trial. Which one do you want?
I can say jury trial. Speak to attorney.
All right, I'm gonna pass it unless you
Now
figure it out.
I wanna write it down. I'm trying to figure it out.
All right, I'll pass it until you figure it out.
Okay.
Raise your hand in the chat once you figure it out. Let's
Okay.
pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Raven Gibson. This guy tracked that Miss Destiny Raven Gibson. Miss Gibson, I'm giving you an opportunity to make your mind up which you wanted to do. What would you like to do?
Thank you, Your Honor. It's not Gibson.
No, Graves, I'm sorry. Destiny Graves, I'm sorry. All right, go ahead, ma'am. What do you want to do?
I'm sorry.
What do you want to do?
Okay, I just want to say thank you for allowing me a moment to gather my thoughts. I am Destiny Graves, Destiny Raven Graves. That's capital D, lowercase ESTINEY, dash, capital R, lowercase AIVYN, colon, capital G, lowercase RAVES. I am appearing specially, not generally. I do not waive any of my rights. I am here to set a pretrial date under protest and to preserve my challenge to jurisdiction and proper identification. I respectfully ask that my objections remain on the record and that my appearance today not be interpreted as a waiver of those rights. I am ready to proceed with pretrial while maintaining these protections. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, so I gave you 4 options. Which other options did you want to take? That's what I gave you time to figure out. You said all that other stuff, that your objection is noted on the record. So you said all that other stuff.
Right, I said that I will do a pretrial. I will set a pretrial date.
No, today is the date and time set for pretrial. No. You're gonna either set it for trial. You're either gonna I'm giving you, here are the options. We're gonna treat today like a pretrial date. On a pretrial date, that's the date where you go and speak with the city attorney and try to work out a deal. Obviously, it's obvious that you are not interested in working out a deal because you probably just want all the cases dismissed because you feel that you have the legal authority to drive or and ride on a cell phone and move around the city. You don't feel these allegations apply to you. So
no, Your Honor, it's not that I feel that they don't apply to me.
Wait a minute. Either you're gonna get a deal with the city attorney today. They're gonna do this one more time. You're gonna get a deal with the city attorney today. You're gonna speak to an attorney in the breakout room so they can secure a deal for you. You're gonna set a jury trial, or you're gonna plead guilty to everything. Those are your 4 options. Which one do you want?
Your Honor, unfortunately, I do not consent to move forward without showing proper jurisdiction over my living person.
All right, give me a jury trial date, please.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna set a jury trial date now. And you're gonna be in person. You're gonna have to come in person for this next court hearing.
And what date would this be? As can I also say that well, I also would like to add that I would like for my rights to be preserved under the process.
Your rights are gonna be preserved. You haven't taken a plea at all today or not.
Okay.
Excuse me, Your Honor, are you going to appoint standby counsel for a jury trial?
I don't think that is even necessary. I don't know. Do you want me to appoint you to this, Ms. Soroki?
No, thank you. I don't do the assigned jury trials.
Oh, I gotta go through the MDIC anyway.
We can do September the 16th.
September the 16th. September the 16th is gonna be the jury trial date. That's gonna be in person on September the 16th, okay?
September 16th in person, what time?
At, we'll just say 8:30. Then I'm gonna set 2 other dates. I'm gonna set a motion here. I don't think that's necessary, but I'll set it anyway. Motion hearing date. Oh, no, I'll just set a final pretrial date. Final pretrial date will be the day before, on September the 15th. So.
Okay, you said, say it again, a trial.
I'm gonna give it to you all. And so final pretrial date, write this down, ma'am. Final pretrial date is gonna be September 15th. You do not have to appear in person. You can come online then, but I do want all parties to appear. Ms. Snyder, are you there?
Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322. I'm here. Is this Destiny Graves?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
So make sure if your officers choose to, if they don't, we'll dismiss the case on the final pretrial date. Ms. Graves, all parties are going to appear on final pretrial date. And then we'll set a jury trial on September the 16th, 2025. Do I need to appoint? Do you want me to appoint an attorney to you to stand by and assist you on this, ma'am?
Sure, but I don't think it's needed, but we can, we'll proceed with that if you like.
I don't know. Do you have a number that she can be contacted at?
Yes.
What's the number?
313-413-2976.
All right. I'll try to see if we can get an appointed attorney. But we'll just set a pretrial on. So come back on the date. 28th date is, we're gonna add another court date, the 28th of August. Come back on the 28th of August, answer the calls you don't recognize. Hopefully one of those calls should be that appointed attorney. And that date is set just to make sure that you've had contact with that attorney, okay?
Okay. So I just want to confirm real fast.
Go ahead.
September 16th, jury trial date for 8:30 in person. And then the final pre-trial September 15th on Zoom. What time would that be?
At 8:30.
Okay.
And then another pre-trial date for the purposes of making sure that attorney has contacted you. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If that appointed attorney does not contact you by that date, then we will try to get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay? That would be on August the 28th. So you have August the 28th, September the 15th, and September the 16th.
Is it the same time?
8:30, yes.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Ms. Pro, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too.
All right, y'all. So that's the end of that for now. I have the dates written down, so we'll definitely be seeing more of Miss Destiny Graves. Unfortunately, she's still digging a hole for herself, but at least she's going to have standby counsel. That whole, not consent to jurisdiction and, all Judge Perkins wanted was for her to give him. Does she want a jury trial? Does she want to, take a plea? Does she want this? Does she want that? He gave her 4 options, and she just kept playing around. So he set her for jury trial. So anyway, there's going to be 3 more dates after this. Hopefully she shows up, because I know there was at one time she didn't show up when they passed the matter, and this time they passed the matter and she actually showed up. So with that being said, I just want to thank you for watching. If you want to see more of this proceeding, make sure you hit that notification bell. Also subscribe to the channel. And if you hit the notification bell, you're going to get notified when I upload more videos. Not only this one, but other sovereign citizen videos and court videos. Oh, and hit that thumbs up as well and leave a comment. This is Carl from Sovereign Citizen Chronicles. I'll catch you on the next proceeding. God bless. Peace.